Triangle breathing. Another form of deep breathing is called triangle breathing. Triangle breathing is a simple way to calm your thoughts, lower your heart rate, and reduce tension and stress. It's called triangle breathing because there are 3 steps to perform, and each step involves the number 3. This exercise requires you to hold your breath for a few seconds, which can help you focus more deeply on your breath. Begin by finding a comfortable sitting position. If you feel comfortable, close your eyes or soften your gaze. Start by inhaling slowly for 3 seconds. Hold your breath for 3 seconds. Now, exhale completely and slowly for 3 seconds. Let's keep going. Inhale slowly for 3 seconds. Hold for 3 seconds. Now, exhale completely and slowly for 3 seconds. Try this cycle of breaths 3 or 4 more times on your own at your own pace. When you're ready, you can open your eyes.